Hey, good morning. How was your weekend?
Morning. It was great, thanks. I caught up on some rest and spent time with family. How about yours?
Nice. I had a relaxing weekend too. By the way, I wanted to update you about the project. We had a meeting on Friday and made some significant progress.
That's awesome to hear. What was discussed in the meeting?
Well, we reviewed the client's feedback and incorporated some of their suggestions into the proposal. John and Sarah were leading the discussion, and we managed to address most of the concerns.
That's a big step forward. Did they assign any specific tasks following the meeting?
Yes, they did. John asked me to work on the financial projections based on the new changes, and Sarah will be finalizing the timeline for the project. They want both of us to sync up tomorrow morning to go over the details.
Got it. I'll make sure to be ready for the meeting then. On another note, have you heard anything about the upcoming department meeting?
Yes, I have. It's scheduled for Wednesday at 2 p.m. I think they're going to discuss the restructuring plans and potential changes in team roles.
Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate it. Oh, and speaking of team changes, have you met the new hire, Emily?
Yes, I have. I had a quick chat with her last week during the orientation session. She seems really enthusiastic and eager to contribute.
That's great. We should introduce her to the team during lunch sometime this week.
Definitely, we can plan for that. And one last thing, I noticed you weren't in the office on Friday. Everything okay?
Oh, yeah. I was working remotely that day. I had a doctor's appointment in the morning, so I decided to work from home.
Gotcha. Well, I'm glad everything's fine. If you need any help catching up on anything, just let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate that. All right, time to dive into the tasks for the day. Catch you later.
Absolutely, have a productive day. Catch you later too.